Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your Zoom application using your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, go through your app drawer and launch open Zoom application and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. From the main homepage, in order to log out of your account, go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the human icon. Now, from the profile icon, scroll all the way down and tap on log out. Remember that you will need to remember your login credentials to get access to your Zoom account back again. So if you remember your credential, click on proceed in the pop-up. And that way you will be able to log out of Zoom application in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.